Hello everyone, welcome to LearnPy. Today we'll be doing numeric types. Okay, so numeric types. In Python we have integers, floats, and then complex, but we'll be handling integers and floats for today. So integers are whole numbers, so it can be -1, 2, 0, 100, and floats have decimal points. Okay, so floats are used to represent something like speed, temperature. Okay, so you don't have to use floats in let's say money. Okay. And so let's try something here. So y equals 2. Y equals 2, and then I'm going to type y, and then I'm going to print y. Oh, what happened? Okay, sorry. Y equals 2 plus 2, and then let me print y. Okay, so enter. We have 4. Okay, so that's an integer, and then we can get the type of y. So let's try y equals 2 plus 3.0. So 3.0. So 3.0 is a float. Okay, and then 2 is an integer or an int. Okay, so let's print y. So you can see we have 5.0. Okay, so the floats took precedence over the ints. Okay, so when you add an integer and then a float, it will give you a floating value. So let's search the type of y. So typing in type of y, then let's search the type of y for the floats value here. So let's print. So it gave us only the float for the second expression that we did. That's 2 plus 3.0. And let me comment it out and see. Oops. I'm going to clear this out. Still 5.0. We want to get a type for each. Okay, so I think I'll have to clear this one out. But what I want to achieve is okay, so we have an int. Okay, so the type of y is 4, and then we have an int type. Okay, so thank you. See you on next lesson.